Good day. Sandwich Dad here, and it's Dagwood's birthday, and he wants me to make a Dagwood. I never say no to a Dagwood. Let's go. Now, for those who don't know, the Dagwood is named after cartoon character Dagwood Bumstead. It's essentially a refrigerator sandwich, leftovers, whatever you have in the fridge. Although some places have just sort of taken it down to chicken, ham, and beef, 3 meats minimum kind of thing. But we're going to check the fridge to see what kind of sandwich meats and things we have. Got some ham, a couple of cheeses. Ooh, Montreal smoked meat, okay. Bacon, okay. Red onion, iceberg, a lot of pepperoni. Maybe I can factor in this leftover butter chicken. Maybe I'll fry up this egg, too. The white claws aren't mine, I swear. Let's get some Keen's mustard, mayo, I think maybe some kimchi, tomato and avocado. Hey, look, it's me in my younger days. And a bunch of bread here. First things first, let's get this bacon going. We're gonna need some structural integrity, so let's toast that bread. 2 in the toaster and 2 in the air fryer with some shiz. Okay, layer 1, Keen's hot mustard, followed by the Montreal smoked meat and a little bit of kimchi. Layer 2, toasty cheesy piece, pepperoni, ham, tomato, with salt and pepper, of course. We'll mix some shredded lettuce with some onion, mayonnaise, oregano, chili flake, and red wine vinegar. And we'll toss that on top. On top of that, we'll put our other toasted cheese piece, followed by our bacon. Then we fry up an egg, a little bit of avocado on the top piece, some salt, pepper, and juice from a plastic lime. Egg goes on top, and then we close it. And so today, this is our Dagwood. Dagwood for Dagwood. Now, we have to cut diagonally. There we go, and cross-section time. What do you think of that? The strategy for eating a large sandwich like this is 2 bites on the corner here to get both in. Let me demonstrate. That way you get all 1 bite. Or in your mouth in 2 bites, anyway. You know what? This rules. 5 out of 5 easy chairs from the Sandwich Dad here, Dagwood, on your birthday. There you are. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. And this is Sandwich Dad saying, good day.